Hi, it's been a while. I never thought I would be back in this space, but here I am. For the past few years, I have been living one day at a time, not by choice, but because I had to. Life changed in ways that I never expected, and so did I. Today, I want to share that story with you. So, I never thought I would disappear from YouTube like that, but I did. And I owe you guys the story. It's real, it's not dramatic, and maybe, just maybe, you will be able to relate to it too. When I first started YouTube, I just wanted to capture my life. I would sit for about 14 to 15 hours editing videos and uploading every single day. So I'm just gonna take 2 minutes of your time and explain how I started back in the days. So Sharmishta was just 15 years old and she was studying science. Little did she know that science was not her cup of tea because she was a creative mind. She had a creative mind and she wanted to be free. That is when I discovered that I could make content on YouTube. And since then, I started making videos. I uploaded multiple random videos, but then the one that worked for me is the one where I actually straightened my hair using a iron. And for the longest time, I was known as the Iron Girl on YouTube because that went viral. My hair straightening video received about 10 lakh views in just 5 days. And that was the turning point of my entire journey on YouTube. Like I have always been determined and very passionate about my academic career, I seriously took up science. I studied science. I completed my graduation and I had to also literally sign a treaty with my family that I won't be able to make content until and unless I have a graduation degree. So I waited until I completed my graduation and here I am back again 10 years down the line in 2025. Now I am 25 years old and I'm starting again. Guess what? Making videos on YouTube actually helped me grow as a model. You know how people saw me online and they thought that I would be the right fit in front of the camera. I soon started auditioning for multiple national campaigns. I have been a part of 4 to 5 TV commercials and it's been 8 years since then. So YouTube has given me everything that I have today and I'm so proud of the journey and I'm so proud of myself for being able to share this journey with you guys. So for the longest time I was stopping myself from sharing this side of my story. So what really happened? Why did I leave YouTube and why am I joining again? I went out for work, and this is also what I have to do every single day. So, this is a tote bag that I love, and this is from Bala People. And a very close friend of mine gifted this. I'm a little hungry, so let's make a sandwich together, and I'm going to continue with the rest of the story. So, please come. Change of plans. We are making oats with dark chocolate peanut spread. Life happened, guys. I grew up and I got to learn so many things. I got to unlearn so many things from life in general, and it has been a wonderful journey trying to heal and giving myself that space to grow mentally and to also start making my oats. Otherwise, I'm hungry, as I said. So I was studying psychology in college, so I put in a lot of effort there. I was also modeling the entire time I was in college, and I didn't get a single holiday, but I would still manage. In the meantime, I lost a lot of friends. I met a lot of people. I started working with so many new people, and I discovered that my interest in the entertainment industry did not just end in modeling. So I launched myself as a multidisciplinary artist, and for the last 2 years I have been actively working as a multidisciplinary artist. Yeah, it's been overwhelming at the same time. I had to put up some really strong boundaries in my life. I had to cut down on a lot of friends. I had to stop meeting people because apparently I grew and they didn't. And it has been a difficult ride trying to leave your close ones behind and moving on. Tough when you start, but it gets easier when you meet amazing people in your life. In this journey of self-realization, honestly, I had lost my sense of self 4 or 5 years back, and it has been a constant struggle to build myself again. So I believed in people, I believed in honesty, in love. I believe that I'll meet someone, or I'll meet new people who will have similar ideas, who would want to be with me and share my ideas through every means of art. So I'm here today as a multidisciplinary artist, starting my life out on YouTube again, and with the most special support I could ever get. But I didn't stop living. I started healing myself. I learned it's okay to slow down. I started living one day at a time, and I stopped making content for the algorithm and following trends. I instead started making very meaningful content. Excuse me guys, my phone's battery died and I changed into my vlogging camera, so there might be a difference in quality, but please hold on till the end of the video. And yeah, sometimes it's okay to not post content, and I started taking life very slow. I started living one day at a time. But now I'm back. It's not the same me. 25-and-a-half-year-old Shomishta is very different. And this time I want to share art, modeling, interior, life in Kolkata, what I eat in a day, and everything. Now I'm back, and this time it's a different me. Shomishta at the age of 25 is very different, and I'm also building my own brands. I'm so excited to share those with you guys. I want to share art, interior design, fashion design, psychology, science. I want to talk about everything. Let me have the food. I'll finish this off and we'll go for a walk and we'll sum up the video. If you have stayed this far, then thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you found something relatable in this video. If you did, then don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll put the link in the description box below. You can also subscribe to this channel because that will keep me motivated, and I will keep making videos for you guys. Living one day at a time. Signing off.